I, Oliver Cromwell, am not a man easily impressed by condiments. However, in 1837, two local chemists, John Wheely Lee and William Henry Perrins, created something formidable. Lee and Perrins' Worcestershire Sauce. The story goes that Lord Sandys asked them to recreate a fish sauce he'd tasted in India. Their first attempt was utterly overpowering. So strong it was banished to a basement and forgotten for 18 months. Yet, when it re-emerged and was rediscovered, it had fermented, improved, matured into something remarkably effective, much like democracy. Today, Worcestershire sauce is exported to over 130 countries. One little bottle, global influence. I approve of that. And this orange label, added in the late 19th century to stand out from copycats. I may have led armies, but this little bottle has conquered dinner tables, and it did so without a single cannon.